Suspension springs keep our vehicles smooth and safe by absorbing bumps and shocks. In this video, learn about key types of suspension springs: leaf springs, coil springs, and air suspension. Leaf springs, the oldest suspension design. Leaf springs are one of the oldest suspension designs, tracing back to horse-drawn carriages. In 1804, Obadiah Elliott patented an improved elliptical design. A leaf spring is made of stacked curved steel plates, leaves, that flex under load. A simple, durable design ideal for heavy vehicles. Leaf springs remained common on cars until the 1970s and are still widely used on trucks, buses, and trains. The stacked leaves spread weight along the chassis and even locate the axle. For very heavy loads, extra helper leaves can be added for support. The trade-off is a stiffer ride, so manufacturers often pair leaf springs with shock absorbers or lubrication to improve comfort. Coil springs, modern comfort, and control coil springs are now among the most widely used springs in modern cars. These are steel wires coiled into a helix that compresses and rebounds to absorb road shocks. Coil springs allow each wheel to move independently, greatly improving ride comfort and handling. By changing the coil thickness and spacing, engineers tune the spring rate. Softer coils cushion bumps for luxury cars, while stiffer coils reduce body roll in sports cars. Many modern vehicles use a MacPherson strut suspension, which combines a coil spring with a shock absorber in one unit. Coil springs are compact and lightweight, making them ideal for modern designs. However, like any suspension component, they can wear out. Worn or sagging coils can cause uneven ride height or tire wear, so regular inspection is important. Worn coils should be replaced in pairs to maintain balance. Air springs, adaptive high-tech suspension. Air suspension replaces steel springs with air-filled rubber bellows. Air springs. Compressed air provides the spring force so the system can adjust on the fly. For example, if the car is heavily loaded, the air springs inflate to keep the vehicle level. Many truck, SUV, and luxury car owners prefer air suspension because it provides the extra control and comfort that spring suspension can't match. In practice, air springs deliver a plush, adaptable ride. The downside is complexity. Air systems include compressors, valves, and electronics, making them more expensive and requiring careful maintenance to prevent leaks. However, modern electronic controls have made air suspension very reliable and even adjustable. Many high-end SUVs and sedans offer selectable ride modes, automatically raising for rough terrain or lowering at high speeds. And there you have it. From simple steel leaves to sophisticated air bladders, suspension springs do the heavy lifting to keep your ride smooth and safe. Next time your car sails over a pothole or tackles a sharp turn, remember the springs underneath doing their job. Every moment, enjoy the smooth drive